You can write amazing content and still see your rankings tank. Why? Because Google doesn't just reward good signals, it penalizes bad ones too. In this lecture, we're covering the common SEO mistakes that silently destroy your EEAT. These are issues that damage trust, make your site feel fake, and trigger Google's spam filters, even if unintentional. Objectives of the lecture. By the end of this lecture, you'll be able to identify SEO habits that weaken EEAT, understand why fake or misleading practices hurt rankings, spot thin, low-value content and improve it, keep your content human, accurate, and trustworthy. Over-optimization. When SEO tries too hard. Using keywords is good. Stuffing them in every heading, sentence, and image alt tag, that's a red flag. Examples of over-optimization include repeating the same keyword unnaturally, overusing exact match anchor text, writing for bots instead of people. What to do instead? Use variations of your keyword naturally. Think like a teacher, not a robot. Thin content, when there's nothing to trust. If your article could be summed up in 2 sentences, it probably shouldn't be a full article. Thin content often looks like generic listicles with no details, articles that repeat points or add fluff, pages written just to target a keyword, not help the reader. Solution: make sure every section adds value. Add insights, data, comparisons, or personal experience. Fake or missing author bios. Google wants to know who wrote this. If your site doesn't clearly show the authorship of your content or worse, uses fake names or stock photos, that's a trust killer. Here's how to fix this. Use real names and credentials. Link to full author bios. Include relevant experience, even if informal. Example: written by Sarah Kahn, a travel writer who's visited 42 countries and reviews destinations for solo female travelers. That's believable and helpful. Unchecked AI content. AI tools can be powerful, but if you copy, paste content without reviewing it, Google can often tell. Following are some of the risks tied to the use of AI misuse: generic, surface-level writing, factual errors, lack of originality or personal voice. How to avoid it? Use AI for research or structure, but always rewrite, fact-check, and personalize the content. Misleading titles and clickbait. If your headline says 10 hidden dangers of budgeting apps, and the article just says, some apps are confusing, you've just lost trust. Clickbait harms both user trust and EEAT. Google tracks bounce rates, and misleading titles lead to quick exits. Use accurate, honest titles and deliver on the promise. Missing or outdated info. A great article from 2019 might now be inaccurate. If you're not updating your content, Google sees it as stale and readers may lose trust. Tips: add timestamps or last updated lines. Review top content every 6-12 months. Check facts and links regularly. If your content feels fake, forced, or shallow, Google notices. And so do your readers. Avoiding these mistakes isn't just about protecting rankings. It's about building real authority and long-term trust. Write for people. Be clear about who you are. Add value. That's how EEAT actually works in practice.